going on, guys? Today is Saturday morning. It's about 7:30 in the morning. Me and the fam take off today to San Antonio. We're gonna go get a weekend away. We've been working a lot. Me and Jerry been on our prep diet, you know, kicking ass. So we're ready to go get a break, and who better than with family, man? But first things first, even though, you know, we're on a little break today, we still got to get our cardio in. So I'm waiting for Jerry to get here. He should be here in a minute. We're gonna go get this cardio down. 40 minutes. Yep, there he is. Finally get things going. What up, dog?
Started on it.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it's a little chilly out there.
I felt good. I just went out there to throw the trash a while ago. Felt amazing.
With me and you will never be parted. Yeah. Push myself to my limits, I'm in it to win it. Forget the beginning, it's now that you're living. Don't be forgiven, don't fear what you're missing. A mind like a killer, you need to be driven. 10 steps ahead, you prepared in the head? Think this shit through or just wing it instead? I'm tired of working so hard for this bread. I'm hungry as fucking fucked up in the head. I'm sick of these lazy bums, they all get nothing done. Waiting to have someone take care of everyone. I don't need anyone, this shit ain't any fun. It takes hard work to make yourself a penny, son.
Done with the cardio?
Cardio was rough.
Yeah, mine
You don't want to do it, but you have to.
Mine could have been a little bit more intense, but I still got 40 minutes. But that's over with. We had some fun now. Haven't gotten out of town in forever.
Getting out of town for the day. You know, when you're on a diet, it's like a job. We'll finally get a day off today.
But when it gets to where you get on a diet so rough, freaking days turn into weeks, weeks turn into months, man. It feels like forever.
Oh yeah, you think like, why the hell am I not seeing results? And that's exactly what I was thinking, but it is week 2. Barely. Week 2. The second time that I did this for a challenge, I didn't see results really until my 4th week. And then after my 4th week was weekly, I would see new results, either a new vein, a new cut, or just a new number on the scale. You know, you just got to keep, it's consistency that helps you achieve all that. I mean, you got to keep going. And we also got to admit, like, a day of eating one thing that's bad isn't the worst thing in the world. If you're not prepping for a show, I mean, if you are prepping for a show, then I'd recommend staying away from doing that. But if you're just trying to live a healthy lifestyle, one day a week or one day every 2 weeks isn't too bad. You can still go get that food that you're craving, as long as you don't do it every day after that. You can't let one day turn into 2 to 3 to 4 to where you just completely get off the diet. Then all that you work for just goes out the window.
Yep, but aside of all that, today we're gonna talk about where we're going. We're going to San Antonio with our parents.
H-Town, I think.
Say-Town.
That's what I said.
Tell them where we're at, Jerry.
Almost local.
Bam,
I'm picking it up for the first time. Where you at?
There's my dad right there. Our dad. About to check out Opals. We're vlogging, Dad. That's what we do. Professionals.
Or is this what the trend is now?
Alright.
Hopefully we'll be able to check out some hot dogs later on.
Hopefully, we'll see how it goes. Alright, and here we are. What do you think, Jerry? Not bad, huh? He ain't never been before. He just said, I don't know, I didn't know it was gonna be like this. See the scenery. What did you get?
Wings.
Pork. Good stuff?
Oh yeah.
Every time. Cheap meal. There's our cheap meal. And then Mark got some tacos, barbacoa tacos. This is the Primo Mark we're telling you about. Yes, sir. Then my daddy, and that lovely lady is the one that I'm gonna introduce to my parents one day. Well, all the food's gone. I think everybody liked it. We're all nice and full. Look at the kids, crazy kids. Oh. Alright, so we just wrapped up Ojos Locos. I think it was a success. What'd you think?
Very successful. Very successful. Definitely put a little gap in the diet, but
You see the last person to leave right over here? He didn't want to leave, but we had to.
yeah.
Rather not pay for the drinks right now because we got happy hour ahead.
Yeah, but everybody was already happy here.
Yeah.
I mean,
That's for sure. Definitely have to come back later.
yeah, it's gotta be
guys
around.
trip. It's gonna be a guys trip next time.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to make up
Well,
for it.
first I gotta sit by that myself.
Yeah, we'll see who's in the doghouse after a little while.
Alright guys, we just got done Ojos Locos. It was amazing. I loved it very much. Right now we're enjoying happy hour. You know, drinks, of course.
Sweets. Good job, guys. Choice.
You're interrupting me.
Oh, you were talking.
Anyway, but yeah, we are enjoying happy hour right now. You know, it's gonna be one of the only days that we're gonna have drinks. So I mean,
The only
judge,
day.
judge us if you want to, but it doesn't matter. I mean, we're having fun. It's a good family moment. We came here. We met up with my cousin Alan right here, and you know, we're gonna go to the Riverwalk here in a minute, here in a couple minutes, and then we're gonna try and hit up some Top Golf tonight. All right, guys. Hey, the little camera guy behind everything is going on. He's right here. He's trying to crawl away. He's doing a good job though. This is our nephew Tristian. He alright. But that's him, guys. Don't, you know, if any of the videos are shaky or blurry, anything, blame the 12-year-old.
Yeah.
I'm just playing. I don't even know if you're 12.
The waitress said Ojos Locos kept getting on to us because he kept grabbing her butt and was like, "You need to stop." So what's up?
Hi.
That wasn't exactly what you asked.
He's shy, and we won't even get into it. We were just earlier. He had 3 cuties in the damn pool, and we left. So okay, never mind. We won't talk about it. We're down here in San Antonio, downtown. Check out this Riverwalk. Got the fam bam. Had a good time today. So far so good. So we're gonna see what's up here. Take a look around. Check it out.
What are you looking at?
You know how many jokes I can make out of this one?
Wait, a house is not a home without a...
Say it.
I'm gonna stop.
No, I'm not gonna.
So this is on a show we like to watch.
It's
The Hot Ones. Shout out to you
It's
guys.
a show with hot questions and even 100 weeks.
Yeah. So we're gonna try this one out. They don't want to, but we're gonna do it. Mañana.
They
After
don't
we
have the
edit.
bomb? They don't have any other ones? Not even like a beginner one? Yeah, I want to start with that.
Hey.
Careful, Tristan. Go ahead. Don't drop this. So we're about to get on this boat ride right now. We were walking. It's been years since I've done this, but we're doing it for because Mark and Zeb ain't done it before. We're about to see, learn some stuff. There's some mystery to be learned here. Yeah. Hey, that's sorry. They didn't give us a straw with a hole in it.
Alright, we're at Top Golf right now. This is what it's looking like back here. We got the uncle teaching the nephew right here.
You go here. The trick to this
Alright, Tristian. Come on, cameraman, let's do this.
on the other side.
Reach back. Aim for that yellow. Aim for that yellow. Hit it like you're mad at someone. Oh, oh, he made it. He made it. He got it. He got it.
Oh crap, dude.
Nice. Hey. Why can we only? God.
We did not order steak. That's Get that distance. Yeah, that was pretty good.
That was distance.
Not bad, pretty good.
That was further than yours.
Well, there you have it, guys. Our weekend in San Antonio was a success.
I loved it a whole lot, mainly because we don't get a lot of chance to do it with our family.
Just out of curiosity, comment below who you think did better at Top Golf, me or
Dude,
Jerry.
bro, you literally just saw me make no contact with that ball.
I know. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that thumbs up button and make sure you subscribe so you can watch the next videos coming up real soon.
Yeah, well, real quick before we go, make sure you stay on the lookout, for the next videos. Me and Carlos get ready to do something we've never done before, but always wanted to try. That's to go toe-to-toe with the sauces that we found on this trip.
Yeah, see, now I like hot, but this hot is on a whole other level.
Yeah, but, with that being said, we're going to go ahead and call it today, and we'll be back with some more videos. Peace.
Aunque digan que soy un bandolero donde voy, le doy gracias a Dios por hoy estar donde estoy.
You are not the coder. Dile, mija, action.
Okay, here we go. Action. Action.
You're hired.